in video filming today. So I have on my same comfortable shirt because I have some housework that I have to get done. But I am opening my last box, and then of course I have to upload, edit, and everything else. But I'm excited because this is a new box to my channel. It is the Brownstone and Main. It's a lifestyle box, and Carrie's Nest, I think, she unboxed one, and I thought it was really nice. And then again, Crate Joy had a sale on Black Friday with like 30% off their boxes. So I went crazy. I think I ordered 2 of the same box. That's how crazy I went. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like the content. And if you do, please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell button so you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. So this is a lifestyle box. I don't know if they put a card in, and of course I will leave a link and the price below. And then just have to remember, I took 30% off of whatever the price is, but they do always offer specials on Crate Joy. So it has my favorite, my little snows, and you know, I get a lot of makeup unboxing, skincare unboxings, and you only have so much face and body. So I really wanted to try getting into lifestyle boxes where, because candles, you can never have enough candles, you can never have enough things for around your house. And I think that's what this box had offered. Excuse me, I'm playing with all my little snow on the ground. So the first thing is by Aromatherapy Spray. It's a really cute bottle. Shake with love and your favorite mantra. Spray a few pumps directly into any room, on your pillow, or anywhere on the face or body. So you can use this on yourself, or you can use it in your house. And I'm going to spray some. Takes a second for the smell, but this is really nice. And it does smell very relaxing. And then the next thing is this soft, can't be a blanket because it's too small. It's from the Funky Monkey. I don't know what it is, so let's find out. I have these things all over. I'm gonna get in so much trouble. Okay, I don't know if it's a shot, it's a scarf. I think it's a scarf. Still going here. Oh, it's one of those things that you stick over your head, I think. Like an infinity scarf. So I think that's what this is. I know you can obviously do better with these things, but this is really pretty. And it is so unbelievably soft. Okay, the next thing that's in here, I'm looking for a card. Is this a card? Winter Wonderland, introducing Martha from the Good Candle. So yeah, these are, it looks like women-owned businesses, and that's what's in here. So the Indu pillow spray is from Marnie. She's the owner, and this retails for $12. And then the scarf, oh, here, I saw Funky Monkey. Introducing Jen from Funky Monkey Fashion. Winter Infinity Scarf. And this is $15, which isn't a bad price because this thing is just so soft. And then the next thing feels like a mug. Let's just see. Oh, it's a mug. Does it say anything? Let it snow. Okay, I hate to disagree with this mug, but no snow here. But it is very pretty, and I can always use a new mug. And the mug was from Let It Snow mug is from Jackie from Lola and Company, and the mug retails for $12. And it's got the websites of all the different ladies that own this product so that you can go to their website. So I will check that out. The next thing feels like soap. They make these so hard to get into. This is soap. I don't know if I can get it out. I really didn't want to have to cut the bag, but is it peppermint? It is a bar of soap, and this is from a lotion bar, Wayna from Celestial Living, and this is a Fierce Female lotion bar. You can put this in your purse to use throughout the day. It's perfect for traveling. Oh, never heard of that. Okay, and then the next thing is by Alovi, and it's a mint lip butter, and let's see. I don't know who made this one. This is from Kelly from Melovi, and this is the mint lip balm, and this retails for $5. It's that time of year. And there's one more thing in here. And it looks like there's some cards at the bottom from the company, and this looks like a candle. And look at the bubble wrap on this. I'm gonna have to cut it open. I hope you guys are having a great day. I had to go to the post office yesterday to mail off my kids' presents. So I made the first trip, and I had to get some boxes. The line was out the door. And then I had to go back after I wrapped in the boxes, and they had added another person there, so it wasn't too bad. But I bet you the mail is just so far behind. And this is the Good Candle hand-poured soy wax, and it's in winter candy. Okay, I could just sit here and sniff this all day. And this, bum, bum, bum. I don't know. Oh, it's right on the front. Introducing Martha from the Good Candle. And this candle is $10. So we got the $10 candle, and we got the $12 spray, and we got the mug. I've already lost the mug. That was $12. And then we have this workout thing, 3-week workout guide, to assist you in any way you need, and it's $100. So I don't know where that, if there's a website to go to, but she teaches you how to work out. Then there's this lotion bar that sounds very interesting. That was $8. And then we have this beautiful infinity scarf, which is $15. And the lip balm, which is $5. I can't remember what I paid for this box. I'll leave the link below. I want to say it was like $30. I like the box. I like the fact it's all women-owned companies, and they put their website so you can see what else that they offer. So please comment below. Let me know what you thought. I got to check out what this. Oh, and they donated a portion of this box to the Malala Fund to bring quality education to all girls all around the world. And then they have the recycle. So I enjoyed this box. It's a nice lifestyle box. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.